We're in Taksim Park, no? So galing kaming mga mosque for the day. So this is an open public park, no? The police is there checking yung surroundings. Then you have the mosque dito, no? Against the light lang, no? But very good na location. Tingnan natin dito. It's public place. Okay. Daanan ng mga tao. Ayun pala, oh, may picture na Istanbul, oh. Meron. Pakuha tayo dito. Meron silang monument. Bago tayo magbalik, check natin. They have Istanbul. Istanbul. Okay. Picture. And then we'll have you. This is the monument nila. Center na center pala. No, let us see. Ang ganda. Okay. May hero siguro. Baka nasi heroes. Okay. Ganda, no? Then you have the mosque against the light, no? Mga tao dito, relax. No? This is an open area, public plaza. No? You see? Center of Istanbul. No? Here. Ito ang public plaza nila. Yesterday yung results ng election dito sa Istanbul, no? Sino kayong nanalo? Go here. Kanda rin kayo nag-tour ng Istanbul. Dito.